guys, I decided to clean the fridge today, so clean the fridge with me because why not? A little fun video to make. I'm gonna do a before and after, but I'm not gonna show you the before yet, and then I'm gonna show you the before at the end of the video and stuff, you know? Now I'm gonna get down to cleaning. I have to find something to put you on. All of these things away. Good. It's on the side somewhere over here, so after I clean this door out, that's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna leave this aside. Ow! Done cleaning the fridge, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Although we have a mess to pick up. Yeah. This off, so I'm gonna do that real quickly. And this mess up that I made just from cleaning this out. Cleaned. Now we're gonna add more. Get more of this stuff. Done with this fridge. This took like a long time, so bye guys. Enjoyed. I mean I hope you enjoyed.